Sanjay, ko matibol tiyo.
Matibol fleece dia.
Sanjay, nandala ka, kami ito mga tanong takay.
Saya nga keton da kay titi.
Sanjay, naniyan, bulunaka, na sasasan sumaya na matagani ko, and Vini Film Facebook page.
Iya.
Mataka ba na kanina, yaw naman ito kani Mika ang galombola.
Niyan na ko kurbo dugo.
Engon de Messi.
Tapi you will look nice if you have buninga.
Yes, of course.
Iya.
Bani nga yaw beard, boy.
Saya nga. Kuan lolo kambita kuturitan na.
Saya nggak malik sana nih kuma bunir. Pati namu kapa po namu sekali.
Kali.
Namuskal makanto na rin ni Skate.
Ada mungkar na pambi.
Kamu kala di sa bayaw tua.
Iya.
Nung brother. Iko bisutak. Iko tuko na no.
Nanu mati ora taile gori. Gori na nomutai.
Rebuke tak na kaya.
Iya.
Rebuke.
Nomutai gori.
Ako kala nomutai.
Iyo.
Kita din chu.
O kento bitadin. Iti ko kada bi kento.
Tayo ko taruh sih kita kami baletan na durmite orang mata di. Kata menung taruh.
Mentaran daw bang bautira wara durumi nakarat ko niti kumay anangon nera durumi tikina.
Ask John Kumar.
John Kumar, if you are willing to be a devil, who will be you enter?
Iya, ada bilang John Kumar.
John Kumar is staying in the valley because in the valley there are a lot of valley.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, the long one.
Yeah. How about if the valley come to you and ask you to exchange his?
Iya.
No, I don't want to. They are very strong and very, you know.
Okay, nunggu pangananan, mungkin pakai itu pakai sandal lenga.
Iya.
Okay, mantap. Kayak pakai sandal lenga demis.
Iya.
Yuk ada biar Mexico bikin ya butunga. Kayak balik ada biar main durtunga biar tuna cuiban.
Iya benar mobil.
Ceng.
Sing okay. Siya taman na buna, siya may durumikin na soy siya nga. Okay, mantap. Kayak pakai bisa naburu-buru niya lo ya. Okay, na mistikir to ibal. Kayak balik ada bimbang nga na mas.
Ang nadurumi ke mun raw.
Betul betul ka po.
Di kento na squad ni taka di bata bisin.
Sagay.
Iya.
Lo nga witua.
Ang nadurumi Mikaeliu. Ya,
Witua.
durma ni mibuzi.
Sala, kundi durumi kada ngiumo kay.
Iyo, durwata.
Ile muna nunggu account.
So ni numa Willy Relen do bulam binaka. Stakos haslepa. Jim ngono bo. Enda binaka.
Okay, taruh dia mesin nama taruh. Di semua teman ale rosa ngomong dia.
Right.
Kaya bakit durum tiap orang bale, benta pa mo talaga kahit kulo chik may ko durum misisya.
Right.
Tulo nga may siya. Era mata ko sali tulus mo bulgarwa.
Oh, dems dia ko yang sa sotago bali bro.
Yes, sa staba ochi.
Ko manda nga mo na durum tiap orang tinggal.
Kaya nga kunila suboy. Lomongo na bali ni Kalo. House of God.
You told me that day when
Kaya nga, uwan ito bali mo lasu. Tambu. Alright, waraw.
Right, mai.
Maya bala.
Nagkastakos has na pa, tola pa nga nung usuna sa sobarelo mo na masima.
Alright.
Belum na ka, ito na radio jigar mo.
Oh, belum ada radio Jiga?
Iya.
How are you?
Si, ino ke ngger tambua.
Alright.
Do yana bina kaya mata ko, yana bina ka nomanga Tunisia belum ano gan?
Belum ada.
Oh, John M yana bina kaya mata kaya dindai.
Alright.
Oh, nawame uwate do yana bina kaya nawame.
Right.
Sino mo yana bina kaya?
Right.
Sani Numa.
Yan.
Willie Ryland.
Right.
Oh, mataki John Kumar.
Iya.
Okay.
Well, good morning to each and everyone. This morning, it's a very tough morning. It's a very good weather.
Yeah.
It's very cool too.
Right.
But you need to maintain the discipline, the attitude, the windmill of your life. A windmill.
Okay.
Yeah, past a few months,
Right.
we have a difficulties in breath due to the weather, hotness in Fiji.
Right.
But now it changed again. You need
Yeah.
to come. Be careful, be
Yes.
aware, be prepared of
Alright.
yourself.
Right.
Cardigan, the scarf, the headgear,
Right.
and the mouth guard.
Alright.
Minta na mitu kutu berito mo to ba no bisa ndra ke bakili go ber no pa ndri seri kici gona buli.
Betul, betul.
Plenty people will be going to work. Most of the students, they'll be alone at home.
Right.
You need to take care of the children. Please drink the boiling water.
Alright.
And also maintain
Silence.
silence and keep cardigan. wearing your cardigan.
Right.
Go outside, please. Umbrella if raining.
Right.
Don't go in swimming this kind of weather.
Right.
It will lead to soil erosion.
Right.
And also cover yourself with hotness.
Right.
Yeah.
How many shirts you wearing this morning?
Only once.
What? Huh?
Only once.
Oi.
Oh, ito ano sa. Totoo naman ni sote. Pero boleh ako sinay ako.
This from my auntie, my mother-in-law. Yeah, tinay ako.
Bubuwag na chilo.
Yeah.
Oy!
This way back 5 years ago.
Oi.
Saan siya na?
This one for memorandum.
Of understanding.
Nebana numi nino na sulibeo.
So, but ang bumbus the children's bumbu,
Hmm?
she gave it to you when you were married to Chinebo or you still girlfriend boyfriend?
Boyfriend and girlfriend.
Pues ayaw sa mo iko.
Yeah.
Still trying to
Sa lomani sa nga nabubalya.
Yes, but
Kung may nakamatal siya nakakatakan tukun
Mukha
tukun.
tamo.
Why?
she passed away in 2019.
Oh, isa.
So this is for memorandum.
Di na sir.
Nebana numi.
Isa.
I keep it
Yeah.
for
That
life.
means you're not growing. Eh?
Not
One
going for who?
size. You one size.
Yeah, I'm myself one size. I keep myself disciplined and healthy.
5 years ago.
Yeah.
5 years ago, you're that size, and you still on that size today.
Yeah, because I'm not
Okay,
broke.
what size is your shirt?
This one is medium.
Make
Oi.
it small.
Make it small, maybe.
Oi, isa.
Ano na exercise faith na matagdi ko.
Alright.
Mika, ang bulang mandabita may matio, tukuno ba?
Okay.
Blahim sa mistake ko ya.
Eh, mbula ba ka tamay matior to sa mystic ko may Blenheim.
Oy,
Where may Nisland.
Oy!
Yorto na nga namin korong to living karabit to na ono bula sa ochi.
Malo,
Yorto sa alos tel may maro ni bina katiyan na ngin karabit tabi. Kem do sa
Ato
Blenheim.
siguro koro.
Arto siguro korong.
Okay.
Iyo tamay matior ko nan revenue track tamay RKS.
Oh!
Amo na tara kino ko non kontra kini sangol milidaw ta ke Blenheim.
Yeah.
Resign sa ko may RKS. Gelen ndar to ko no track tele mo may Blenheim. Pamulusikan iyo Nisland. Pamulusikan ngoy is South Island.
South Island,
Iya
right?
na buno mata.
Ibina
Right.
kanata ng tanggus.
Ha?
Ibina kanata.
Walu.
Walong gore na 10 mila. Walong gore 10 mila.
Kedi laro na kasi no ne rai tabuay.
Right.
Ni ano binaka na matali ko aki. Our story James.
Okay, this is a short story about one fella will be always
Okay.
smart in the classroom.
Oi.
Okay.
Smart in the classroom, and the teacher asking,
Right.
"What is the long form?" Today
Oh,
we'll
the long form.
today
Right.
we'll learning the long form.
Yeah.
Right.
Tabamba budi bosango.
Right.
So everybody was here. If you want to answer a question, you need to raise your hands up.
Yeah.
So
DK.
okay, what is the long form of DK?
Demesi kakai.
That's true.
Yeah.
Okay, what is the long form of TC?
No teme si kurmera.
Demesi kurmera and then another video. Ponto.
So TC,
Yeah.
topical cyclone. If you want to answer a question, you need to raise your hands up.
Maybe tama ka.
Truce.
Yeah.
Then after that, another one coming. Okay,
Yeah.
please can we call Chesoni? Chesoni, please come up. So example to the students
Yeah.
how to answer a question.
Yeah.
Come.
Yeah.
Come here, my boy. Come. Come here. Okay.
Yeah.
What is the long form of PM?
PM.
PM that time. PM the afternoon.
Yeah.
PM is 12 PM.
Yeah.
Prime
What is the long
Minister.
form?
Prime Minister.
Yeah.
No, this for PM.
Yeah.
Opium.
This is for the daylight.
Time.
Oh,
Yeah.
time.
Yeah.
PM
Yeah.
post meridian. Thank you. Just
Oh.
see. You need to answer question like this. Okay.
Congratulations.
AM just.
Yeah.
Okay. AM anti meridian.
Mm.
And
Oi.
that time the teacher look on his mouth.
Yeah.
He eating one chingam.
Oi.
Oh, yeah,
One
okay.
chingam. And what kind of chingam?
Yeah.
This one is PK.
Okay.
It's okay. Listen, student.
Yeah.
If you need to know the long form of PK,
Yeah.
listen to Chesoni.
Uh-huh.
Chesoni,
Yeah.
what is the long form of PK?
Yeah.
Say,
Yeah.
papol kam. Atau lagi nada pala mo ni PK.
Sembero ka taro mamandang
Iya, mama na to sembero
Kaya
ka.
ko namatay kasi bulan nandang.
Iya, sembero. What is the long form of PK?
Iya.
Sembero no ka.
Yeah.
Papol kam.
Welcome mga oli ko. Hey, the purple come. Yeah. Maybe okay. Some people are cheating purple come this morning.
Yeah.
Any message to them?
If
I
you
mean,
are
chilling in the bus.
okay, if you are chewing in the bus, you know,
Right.
please. It's a well known. It's healthy when you eat purple gum.
Yeah.
But you need to be
How many bubble gum you always chew?
Yeah.
which kind of purple gum?
The bubble gum?
The purple gum here, the picky, the small one, habababa one.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's very big, the habababa. You can blow and you go use it again as your.
As a police.
Of- of-
Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
Okay. How long
Yeah.
should you chew one bubble gum? How long?
Be healthy.
Yeah.
1 hour the rule.
If 2 hours.
If 2 hours, you need to wellness yourself. Yeah, that's truth.
You know that lolly,
Yeah.
the bonbon,
Yes.
the purple gum inside.
No, that's not a purple gum.
The what?
That's a purple ngesa.
Yeah, have you tried it? You tried already?
Oh boy, very good, very good, very
Yeah.
good.
Oh.
Sani numa papol kam radio mbol benaka
Right.
effect 2 and benaka benawel ngrabi tabi ino kengerger tambua
Yeah.
and everybody joining this
Sani
morning.
numa. Ini
Sani.
mana kasi?
Yeah, sani numa.
Right.
Ini bilang kan kita kan mata ko mata sudah benua.
Daw na
Akhir nanti titi ko nanti kita mau bikin menurut orang.
Lagi bilang.
Nanti ini bilang.
Right.
Oke, nanti tinggal bikin.
Lutu na magaronin ng kanta man nangan tama tanda bakilan limu nan ramu
Dulu kasih.
ramu kasi
Iya,
lutu talaga ni baka tangan dengan din ng bulan na ngonda na bakilan sur kici mai
Iya.
lutu na may kampula na do era ke kono na sa mali
Iya.
ke ka coach ko na ran coach banga bandua and dindi
Right.
coach style malate mermer ni tubo na may kampula
Ada benar ke turun kita ambil dalam.
right
Saya di mana rima bangku? Oh, isa salulu.
salulu
Sani salulu.
sa salulu ngar kere mal sa barumbiu
Anda sia, tunai jai masih kesa.
Babli remech mbol benaka milne the lebu
Iya.
and also leva butu mbol
Yeah.
benaka.
Pati gori
Oh tamasiko.
tama si ko bolo
Oke,
na
nanti kita tambah semen tempat itu bibe sedar.
Iya, batu tubi.
Iya.
Triple, football and
Nanti
football.
mata kita benua, nanti mata. Bidar kalau bisa song butuh apa?
Songo butu na vale misi tundu tu na materi
ya
siya.
kono ko masubur ko na no ya
Iyo.
kono na turun ngayon sember ni andon masali jobo sini ya
Songo butu.
sember ni riba simo sa songo buto na ba
Iyo.
Kita kira usah nak kembali kau kita baik posting.
Iya.
Kalau sembere no kai lolom kira usah liu.
iya
No mungkin ada mentabur kena kau.
Lamor kaya ka misi ngadi. Oye, kita usada ba?
Labu na kana ka mo kay
Iyo.
tuki tuki na sa sa
Ngaza melanga. Ni mo de gonde Messi.
kau bi ka galo mula
Kuru mundu
Napale best picket punches.